Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky here with Techman Solutions, and just want to make sure that you guys are aware of the series of different economic reports that are set to be released tomorrow. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right to it. One of the things that I'm going to be talking about is what exactly happened today. I mean, we were gapped up, right? We were pretty well in the green for TQs. TQs is a NASDAQ ETF. It's triple leverage, right? We're up to 18 based off of Friday's close. We started off very pretty, right? Up 2% on the day. We gave it all back, ended, I think, 3 or 4% at the very bottom. If you guys look at the 5-minute time frame, this is one thing that I talk about with my Learn Plan Profit group all the time. The 1-minute time frame is sometimes hard to see because all you're seeing is just what's going on today. But if you take a step back, just look at the 5-minute, you guys can see that based off of Friday's support range that we had established here, it goes into today's support range. So surprise, surprise, again, it didn't really catch us off guard. We talked about this during our live trading session with the LPP team. It's literally a textbook setup, 3 stages of a reversal, rejection, consolidation, and then confirmation. It wasn't any crazy margin or anything like that, but again, I posted an overall update on how I ended the day within our LPP Discord chat or on Instagram, and that's that third link in the description down below if you guys don't follow me on Instagram just yet. Friendly reminder, I'm verified on Instagram, and that the third link in the description is my only Instagram account. I can guarantee you all the other ones are fake. With that being said, again, all we did was really test previous support levels. You could see this on QQQ, which is the single leverage NASDAQ ETF. We do not have confirmation of a reversal. I still left myself with a $20,000 position size in TQs. Just because I do something does not mean that you need to. I'm able to tolerate, even at worst case scenario, $20,000 is less than 10% of what I intend to trade TQs with. So again, I'm pretty well lightly positioned into TQs. But let's go ahead and talk about what you guys probably clicked on this video for, and that's the economic report. So tomorrow there's a total of 4 economic reports on Wednesday, January 4th. 2 of them are going to be the most important ones. 7 a.m., which is about 2.5 hours before the market opens, the MBA Mortgage Application Index. We should see a little shift, but nothing too significant. 10 a.m., there's 2 total reports, ISM Manufacturing Index, which is the important one, and then the JOLTS, which is the job openings, not as important. We can see the ISM Manufacturing Index has an expectation of 48.5%. The prior was 49%. So again, if it comes in higher than expected, then most likely the market can react in a negative way, as it shows not much of a slowdown. But the most important report tomorrow is going to be the FOMC minutes report. And this is pretty much just going to be a recap if you're unaware of the what this report is. At 2 p.m. Eastern time, I'm thinking of live streaming it here on my YouTube channel. You guys can let me know down in the comment section or get this video to over 1,500 likes, and I'll host that free live stream. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel so YouTube alerts you when it is that I go live. But the FOMC minutes report is, every month the Federal Reserve will have an interest rate hike, or when they do, right? The FOMC minutes report is pretty much just a summary of how they came to that decision of that interest rate hike and why they found the 0.5% or the 0.5 basis points to be something that they justified, right? It's pretty much just a summary. And then after the report, Jerome Powell is going to be speaking, most likely if the report is at 2 p.m., most likely at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, he's going to be speaking, and that's when I'm going to want to live stream that, because whatever he says or whatever questions he answers, it could affect the overall market. And again, a lot of you guys like when I host those live streams. So I guess we'll see how you guys do with the likes, and also if you guys stay subscribed, right? So this is all going to be reported tomorrow. That's going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Regardless if you guys tune into my live stream or not, I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of that economic report, because I know a lot of you guys, are well positioned into the market right now. But one of the things that I want to remind you is that all I'm thinking about right now is staying light. I'm not being scared to take advantage of these deals. I still view it to be a deal. I still view the market to be oversold. That is 100% my opinion, but I respect how bearish it's been, and I respect it by my position size. Remember, do not bite more than you can chew. Don't think about always best case scenario. You need to be able to tolerate worst case scenario. It's never an if the market will recover. Markets will always recover. At least they have in the past. The question is, can you tolerate the time that it will take for markets to recover? And that's exactly what I'm trying to position myself in, right? A light enough position that I'm motivated for the market to recover and wait for it, right? But not so much that even if it does continue to sell off and make new lows, as it can, that I become an emotional or irrational mess, right? Stay light, stay effective, and stay calculated, especially with this FOMC minutes report and the live stream if Jerome Powell ends up actually speaking 30 minutes after the FOMC minutes report. So again, we'll talk a little bit more about that later. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, remember, I'm available to you 24/7. Send me a direct message, and that's that first link in the description, and that's via Discord. We've been getting a lot of people reaching out to us about getting started for 2023. And again, I'm here to answer any questions you might have about getting started. I don't care how beginner it is, but at least you're reaching out and at least trying to get that question answered. So that's that first link in the description, or send me a direct message via Instagram, and that's that third link down below. Friendly reminder, that is my only Instagram account. There are fake accounts on Instagram and on every other social media platform that pretend to be me. Remember, I will never reach out to you first. If you reach out to me, that's one thing. I'm verified pretty much on all platforms, and we will never ask you for money. We don't trade for you. We offer one thing. And if you want to be able to watch me trade live every day, I do it with one team and one team only, and that's my Learn Plan Profit Group. If you've watched my videos before, you know exactly who they are. Again, my Learn Plan Profit Group gets to watch me trade live every day. They get access to the A to Z video lesson library, the private group chat, and access to the TechBuds HQ. It's all inclusive. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, that's that second link in the description down below if you're ready to learn more about it. Also, friendly reminder, we do have our $2,000 cash giveaway. This does end in just 2 days, which is going to be January 5th. If you want to enter or learn more on how to enter, click the fourth link in the description down below. Again, I'm excited to announce the giveaway winner on January 6th. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that earned your thumbs up. Let's get this video to over 1,500 likes, and let's host that FOMC minutes live stream tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.